Attack again. Dodge niyo yung ano
I will call for the dodge.
Bomber.
Hotdog.
We're done.
Ano si Mato?
Okay,
3 seconds, start
Hello, hello.
hitting.
Bakit nandito ako?
Go.
Dito kasi.
Okay, ready? Full damage, diba?
Baba tayo sa AB.
Stop everything, nice one.
Go, Ping. Go.
Why guardian helmet?
Reminder pag guardian have to take mark and target table. Pati masakit ano. Dodge hook. Dodge, 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 dodge! Dodge, yo!
Okay lang, keep going.
Two down, two down.
Keep going.
Revive, 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 revive.
Ikaw naka-revive, Sherry. Patay si Sylvie. Ikaw wala naka-revive.
Kita nga, I'm gonna revive Sylvie. 4 seconds, 4 seconds revive. Dodge, 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 dodge!
Dodge, dodge, everyone.
Yo!
Use your
yo,
boots,
Dodge
what
roll,
the
boys.
frick?
You cannot, don't go in the middle, don't go in the middle. With di yan ano, di na mag-di tulad sa abaw. Yung abaw.
Ayun sabihin nyo, hindi pala ganun sa...
Oo, baka kalimutan ko pala sabihin yun.
Okay.
Hindi na yata in-update yata nila yun eh.
Hindi. Dati pa yan, si Dopa.
Hindi, hindi, I mean dati. Dati pwede eh.
Dodge, dodge!
Ngayon yata bawal eh.
Oo.
Use your boots, guys. Jesus Christ.
Dodge, dodge roll,
Go
dodge
back, go
roll.
back.
Ayun na, malapit na yata HP cut ah.
Pililit.
Okay, ready dodge now. Ready dodge, ready dodge. Dodge, dodge,
Ayun na,
dodge.
dodge, dodge.
Nice one. After the sword, go back.
Nice, thank you, kay Lord.
Go back, go back.
Back, clamp agad. Ay, dodge, 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 dodge.
Ah, shit. Sylvie, pa-revive.
Pa-revive si Sherry, Sylvie.
Ah,
Revive, revive.
Dodge? Ay, hindi. Malakot. Ano na? Dodge?
Okay, dodge, dodge.
Big heals,
Nice.
big heals, big heals.
Go back, go back, go back.
Go back.
Lapit na yata, ayun ah.
Don't hit, don't hit, don't hit, don't hit, don't hit. Ah, hindi. HP cut,
Ano ba?
HP cut, HP cut.
Nice, nice,
one.
nice, puting.
Ah, helmet. What's up?
Nice,
Where are you, boom?
nice, good, good.
Gonna revive
Good,
you.
good,
Dodge,
good.
dodge, dodge.
Going. Dodge, everyone, dodge. Ooh!
Don't die, bomber. Ikaw yung main heal.
Don't hit, don't
Revive
hit, don't
bomber,
hit,
please.
don't
What
hit.
the frick?
Big heals, big heals, big heals.
Patay din yung isang ano. Pari awaken yung main heal ko, please.
Patay main heal, patay main heal.
Puta na,
Patay yung tatlong heal. Watch yourself, please. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Sabi ko sa inyo, ayusin nyo eh. Hindi lasing yung HP cut, si Kaylor yung HP cut, hindi mo si Hotdog.
Pull the aggro.
Labas niya yung mga poison niya. Drop yung poison niya. Drop your poison, guys. Tingnan mo yung poison.
Ulit tayo na uulit hanggang bukas.
Can come back.
Mga naka-dodge roll naman kayo ah. Yung ginagamit yung boots pag may nag-spawn na bilog.
Okay. Everyone stop now, stop now, stop now.
Medan, pagpalit ka ng ano? Dodge roll. Ano ka eh?
Hotdog.
Bomb change to dodge roll. Okay, I'll aggro again.
Okay, start stacking now. Ready hook.
Go.
Okay, full damage diba?
Nasa amin?
Mga ganun, lapot.
Wait lang, huling kulit.
Shadow, may shadow.
Uy, change out bro.
Okay.
Ba't napupunta sa inyo, Ag?
Bro, nice.
Thank you.
Dodge.
Dodge, dodge.
Dodge.
Come back, come back.
Stuck together, stuck together.
Dodge.
Drop, dodge.
Nice one. Come back in the middle. Guardian helmet.
Yung element. Okay na.
Dodge.
Drop. Dodge. Oh no, see. Okay, good.
Come back.
Lapit na yung HP cut.
Drop,
Dodge.
dodge.
Dodge, dodge, everyone dodge.
Focus pre, focus.
Focus, everyone.
Heals in the middle. Okay, ready for the HP cut. Dodge.
Dodge.
HP cut.
Ayun na ha.
Pigat ka.
Careful the swords will double if he,
Hindi ba hit yan ba?
Nice. Nice one.
Bomber, heal, bomber, heal, bomber.
Hill, bomber, hill. Pareho weak sa'yo, bomber. Okay, nice.
Dodge.
Focus heal again on me.
Big heals.
Dodge.
Bomber.
Nice.
Charge something. Don't hit.
Don't hit. Stuck together again. Stuck.
Stuck together again. Big heals in the middle. Dodge the...
Dodge. Oh, stuck.
Royal jacket. Sylvie, wag ka dodge.
Dodge. Sorry.
Thank you, Kel.
Oh shit. Patay, sige.
Bomb died.
Gonna revive bomb.
Dodge.
Don't hit. Big heals in the middle. Bomb died again. Revive Abra. Sylvie.
Okay, keep
Ay,
healing.
nakalimutan ko.
Focus heal.
Ano, Rook,
Dodge,
wag
dodge.
mong iaharap sa amin.
Sylvie, revive Sylvie. I'm gonna revive you, Sylvie. Revive.
CD pa yung revive niya. Sige,
Sige lang,
kahit.
sige lang.
Sige lang, sustain
Sige,
nyo lang.
focus heal. Sustain nyo lang yung mga buhay.
Dodge.
Ah, shit.
Nice.
Don't hit.
Oh, don't hit.
Reviving
Revive.
iron.
Dodge.
Focus heal on me. Sige
You
lang.
on the middle. Bomb. Come here.
Nice. Hindi lang, revive nyo lang kami. Good job.
Sino yung nakamana naka
Dodge.
foul? Don't have mana.
Si Medant, tsaka si ano. Si Medant, si ano.
Six stacks on Rook.
Revive Medan.
Bumper
Gonna
hit.
revive
Oil bomber.
Revive bomber. Revive Medan.
Di ba? Oh, dodge.
Big heals. Bomber.
Heal.
Don't hit. Not mana.
The seat.
Do it, Cal.
Heal, guys.
Jack, Guardian helmet, please.
9 stack na sa akin. Please, pa-guardian ako.
Guardian helmet. Ah, shit, pal.
Sino ka guardian?
Me. Color. Pero down ako.
Ubus na yung mga ano.
Down na yun.
Out muna, out. Ulit.
No. We can continue, bro.
Okay. Ilan pa buhay?
Out na.
mag-enigmatic pre. Ang sayang.
Mag-ano, enigmatic yung isa.
Kaya
Silvi,
naman to.
mag-enig ka na lang. Nakagamit ka ba nito? Nagagamit mo ba yan?
Hindi ko alam kung
Guys,
ano.
learn how to dodge, okay? So many people knocked down from that.
Nagagamit mo?
If I said don't hit the boss.
Nakainig na si Silvi.
Tagal ang
Tibay ni Tron sa Hailey. Ayaw umalis.
Naghihintay pa yan eh.
Silvi, wag mong gamitin yung imo ha. Sasabihin ko kung si kanino mo gagamitin ha. Okay, let's go. Everyone, stuck again.
It's okay, Bomb. It's okay, Bomb. We're gonna finish this 11:30 UTC. Yo, everyone.
Yung double-
Punta na.
Ayusin nyo lang, please.
Learn how to dodge, okay? That's why I do not bring.
Oo, focus yung dodge kasi. Putik, ayaw mag-dodge eh.
That's why I don't want you to experience this one because you don't know how to dodge. Okay? If you can learn, just learn. Learn how to dodge.
Stop.
Okay, start stacking now. Royal Robe. Yo. Ready? Full damage, diba?
Go.
So the Royal Jacket disappeared and jump one. Okay, one Royal Jacket. Dalawa. Dodge!
Dodge.
Ah! Ah!
Kill them. Revive, revive.
Connecting pa.
Na-revive Keller.
DC! Nag-DC ako.
Paano nga? Guardian helmet yung.
Yo.
Pam nyo yung druid cowl tsaka yung guardian helmet, please. Hindi yan tinatago.
You dodge?
Pag nag-cooldown, lapag nyo.
May dant lag na
Ay,
naman.
Ayan!
Just be careful, guys.
Big heals in the middle.
Pag nyo muna heal si Medat, na-DC yata.
No, okay na.
Yo, dodge.
Dodge. Come back. Big heals in the middle. Big heals in the middle. Nice one.
Dodge.
Thank you, Kylor.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Ready? Dodge? Dodge!
Dodge. Yeah, nice enigma. Yeah, good.
Enigmatic will dapat sa'yo, mga yung enigmatic.
Pwede ka mag-spam ng W tsaka campet. Enigmatic.
Ready? Dodge?
Oh, dodge.
Nice. Yun lang. Ganyan gawin nyo sa second phase kasi marami na yung swords. It will drop multiple swords. Big kills in the middle.
Okay, masyadong malapit.
Okay,
Ayun na.
second phase. Ready HP cut.
Guard rune.
Nice. Okay, come back. Starting now.
Okay, paano si Bomber pa? Enigmatic si Bomber. Diyos ko.
Hindi. Ganito na lang. Since stacking tayo, isang tao na lang mag-stack. Kasi lahat naman tayo lahat naman tayo mag-shoot. Don't hit.
Ay, gapo siya lang naman.
Dodge.
Big heals in the middle.
Heal nyo si Bomberman. Wala na akong heal.
Yun nyo.
Heal nyo si Bomberman, please.
Reviving bomber. Dodge.
Stuck together, guys. Wait.
Don't hit, don't
Dodge.
hit. Big heals
Just
in
hit,
the
Dodge,
middle.
ah.
Big heals in the middle. Sylvie, I'm gonna revive you.
Oh, ako, patulong. Bomber, uli.
Shit.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Oh, gago, nahula. What the?
Wag na, mag-heal ka na, Sylvie. Hindi mo rin ginagamit eh. Mag-heal ka na.
Gusto mo ako na mag-enigmatic.
Hindi mo rin ginagamit, sayang eh. Wag na, mag-heal na, wag na
Dopa
ginagamatic.
na lang bigyan nyo.
Si Dopa na lang, bigyan nyo kay Dopa. Oh, tayo matatapos ito. Kill issue.
Yeah. Ayos lang yan, paano? First time mo kasi ng tao, pre. Hindi natin intindihin.
Patry nga eh.
Boom. Going out.
Wag nyo kasi sayangin yung revive ng ano, ng healer. Nahirapan sa inyo yung mga healer eh. Wag nyo sayangin yung heal ng ano.
Ano,
Yung revive.
Bomber. Pwede ka mag-alt Q sa sarili mo. Alt Q. Alt Q ka. Alt Q. Pwede ka mahirapan mag-click kung hinihil good kung kailangan mo heal sarili mo. Alt Q. Yan. Dapat yung ano mo, yung target ka kay Rook. Tapos press ka lang ng Q pag kay Rook na ano, yung gusto
Wag mo i-heal yung ibang tao.
Yun lang, priority mo sarili
Ako
mo.
lang
Tapos
i-heal mo.
Oo. Kanina, wala. Kung mamamatay ka na, cancel mo yung W mo. You can click your W again. Para ma-cancel siya. Ay!
Mag-stack na kayo dito.
Stacking now. Pa-awesome ko sa Okay, start stacking now. Okay, ready? Full damage, diba? Guardian helmet. Dodge!
Dodge.
Woo! Tulog, well! Gonna revive one person. Big kills.
Hintayin na kayo mag-ready na kayo mag-dodge.
Ready dodge ha, ready dodge. Oh. Dodge!
Already dodge. Dodge.
Come back. Big heals in the middle. Dodge.
Dodge.
Nice. Keep going. Keep
Kada 8
going.
na hampas, maglalabas siya ng ano, circle.
Keep it up boys.
Okay.
Boom, come here, boom. Dodge.
Dodge. Big heals in the middle. Come here, Medan. Hindi gumagana yung cleric rope mo dyan. Dodge. Hindi
Dodge,
gumagana
dodge.
yung cleric rope mo dyan, Medan. Fuck. Naku. Big heals in the middle. Ano siya? Dodge.
Dodge.
Pag-guardian helmet siguro. Come back.
Tingnan lang guys.
Dodge, bro.
Guardian helmet. Dodge.
Dodge, dodge.
Come back.
Begin.
Okay, ready, second face. Be active ha.
Kay Rock.
Always dodge, always dodge. If I said don't hit, okay?
Nagana ba yung ano, yung pagkuha sa ano? Matic.
Ayun na.
Oy, automatic, enig! Hoy!
Di ba pindot? Ba't ganun?
Back.
Click nyo yung name kasi sa ano, sa party.
Don't hit, don't
Ano naman
hit.
yung ano naman yung enigmatic eh. Kung basta idikit nyo lang
Oh, dikit nyo lang.
sa
Kahit sino na ibato nyo. Tapos dikit lang.
ididikit na lang.
Dikit na lang.
Pinaka-crucial na enigmatic dyan si Rook.
Sylvie, balik dito Sylvie. Huwag ka lumayo sa party.
Lililig, bigil.
Dodge,
Dodge.
dodge. Don't hit. May dog.
Stuck together. Dodge.
Ready inig.
Enigmatic.
Enigmatic. Nice,
Yeah.
nice,
Ganun.
nice.
Yan, napingit ko na.
Dikitan nyo lang yung
Dodge,
ano, binubuhat.
Nasaan? Just dodge.
Mana kayo Rook ah. Mana kayo Rook.
Don't hit.
Oh, don't
Don't hit. Give,
Oh, stuck together guys ha.
Mana.
dodge.
Oh, dodge.
Ready inig.
Come here,
Ready inig.
Uy, ba't di na-dodge ni Mercy?
Rook, don't go here, Rook.
Don't dodge. Yan na nga.
Ay, Rook.
Focus guys,
Big
focus.
heals.
Bomber hill, bomber.
Ah,
Down kayo lahat.
Inig. Nice.
Rook, wag mong harap sa amin, Rook. Tatama kami ng cleave.
Wala pa eh.
Wala na, patay na kayong lahat eh. Patay kayong lahat eh. Ba't na down kayong lahat?
Ano,
Yung cleave ng sword ni Sir Believer, medyo nakaharap sa amin. Malaki talaga yung AOA kasi nun.
ito. Umiikot siya. So,
Pag stay behind the cape.
Pag mag-spread kayo, huwag talaga kayo lumapit.
Stay lang sa likod ni Sir Believer. Check nyo rin yung character ni Sir Believer.
okay. Fix na tayo.
Wala si Shaley.
Kinihan mo sa mundo. Sa mundo.
Bummer, galaw, bummer.
Nagre-relapse na si Bomber.
Oh,
Ay, gagi.
Eto, yung enigmatic crucial din yun ah.
ako bahala dyan. Gets ko na. Oh, yan. Yan.
Tapos pag nag-skill kayo guys, okay na yun. Wag kayo mag-i-stay. Igalaw-galaw yung character nyo.
Galaw-galaw yung character nyo. Wag kayo pumunta doon sa likod. Wag kayo mapunta malapit kay Rook.
Oh, stay lang.
The only person who is allowed to go near Rook is Kalar.
Kunyari, nakabitaw na kayo ng skill. Ayun,
Wag sabog
pwede na yun.
Wag
Hintayin nyo yung
Hindi na-dodge yung heal. Ang puta, hindi na-dodge yung heal.
Ganto, once na lumabas na yung binog, balik na agad sa pwesto para mahil na. Huwag na yung kung saan pa pumunta.
Magsasabaw
Ready,
na lang.
ready.
Natin malapit pa ako. Ready? Kahit sa akin na. Yo! Listen. Come back. Bomber.
Good check eh.
Okay, ready? Full damage debuff. Royal jacket. Ready your dodge. Druid robe,
Dodge.
dodge. Druid robe, druid
Bumak.
robe. Druid jacket, druid ano, druid robe.
Dodge.
Focus on dodging.
Be alert guys. Wala naman. Stuck together again. Stuck. Oh.
Dodge.
Dodge. Stuck. Agad.
Well, ano?
Yeah.
Dodge and attack. Nice. Come back. Dodge. Come back. Full damage, diba? Dodge.
Dodge.
Dodge. Come back.
Stuck together.
Wait down.
Okay, dikit kayo sa akin para may patik kayo.
Nice. Successful.
Stick together.
Okay. Nice.
Dodge siya.
Okay, ready? Full damage, diba? Dodge.
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 Ayan. Come back.
Stuck together.
Don't hit.
Don't hit.
Ready, dodge now. Ano yan?
Wala. Hindi.
Ready, dodge.
Oh, dodge.
Now. Come back. Big heals in the middle now.
Mag-enigmatic ah.
Ready,
Ready?
Yeah, enigmatic. Nice.
Para hindi mahirap sa enigmatic.
Ready, dodge now. Ready, dodge.
Dodge.
Okay, come back. Oh, hindi. Come back pala. Joke lang pala. Come
Oh,
back.
don't hit, please. Please.
Dodge.
Dodge.
Nice.
Nice.
Come back. Stuck together and guardian ng mech.
Dodge.
Nice. Top boys ah. Ready?
Ready, enigmatic ah. Ready.
Dodge.
Don't hit. After this, full damage.
Huwag may harap, Rock.
After that, full damage, di ba pa? Come back. Start stacking now. Big kills in the middle.
Enigmatic.
Bomber.
Nice. Okay, ready? Full damage debuff now. Dodge. Don't die. Okay, don't die.
Focus on dodging instead of
Don't hit.
Oh,
giving damage. Focus muna sa dash, hindi kayo makadamage pag namatay kayo. Focus on dodging.
Dodge.
Okay lang kahit matagal tayo dito. Basta mag-dodge kayo.
Okay, boys. Start stacking now. Full damage debuff. Dodge.
CD ako. Dodge short.
Kailangan. Pag-dodge lakad kayo.
Enigmatic.
Hit sa akin po.
Revive na.
Dodge.
Yan, okay lang.
Restabilize.
As long as ma-revive.
Ani jacket,
Focus
cool
on
down yung
stabilize
ano ko
muna.
helmet ko.
Oh, dali. Nga pa yun na.
Royal jacket please.
Big kills. Dodge. Hindi po alam saan ko.
Thank you.
Pili.
Start stacking.
Press 5.
Dodge.
Dodge. Patay si Milan. Stuck together guys, stuck together.
Don't hit. Stop.
Wag mo.
Stuck together guys.
Okay, enigmatic.
Nice.
Keep dodging.
Focus, malapit na, focus.
Okay, boys. Dodge now. Number, wag ka malapit kayo. Don't hit. Ready, big heals in the middle. Ready, dodge now. If I said dodge, no matter what skill you're trying to stack, just dodge.
Dodge. Heal Dopa, please.
Reviving Dopa.
Heal Dopa.
Thank you.
Middle.
Ayun na, enigmatic ready. Enigmatic.
I'm
Nice
there, man.
one.
Royal jacket. Tap royal jacket.
Okay, focus everyone. 15k. Oh, dodge.
Nice.
Everyone, go back. Start stacking now. Okay, don't hit. Start stacking now.
Don't hit.
Ready?
Guys, don't hit.
Skip up.
Dodge. Mercy. Stuck together Stuck together.
Whoop.
Si Rock.
Oh, dodge. Nice.
Sabaw boys. Yan! Ano yung ihi ni Sir Belieber?
Picture.
Don't click the sabaw, ha?
Picture.
Screenshot ko na
Sama to sa recruitment.
screenshot.
Ilang oras? Ilang
Ay,
food yan?
naku.
Ina talaga.
One food. Amin lang.
Food. May foods na to.
Kung